Welcome to my channel. Easy Arlo Video Doorbell Setup Installation Guide Full Tutorial. 1. Unbox your Arlo doorbell. Take out the doorbell, mounting plate, screws, power kit, charging cable, and user manual from the box. 2. Download the Arlo Secure app. Install the Arlo Secure app on your Android or iPhone and create your Arlo account. 3. Charge the battery. Wire-free models. Fully charge the battery before installation so setup goes smoothly. 4. Choose the best installation spot. Mount the doorbell about 4 feet above the ground for the best face and package view. 5. Connect to 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Open the Arlo app, tap Add Device, and connect the doorbell to your home Wi-Fi network. Arlo recommends using a 2.4 GHz network during setup. 6. Scan the QR code. Use your phone camera inside the Arlo app to scan the QR code on the doorbell. Wait for the confirmation sound or flashing light. 7. Turn off power. For wired installation. If you are replacing an old wired doorbell, switch off power from the breaker before touching any wires. 8. Install the mounting plate. Use screws and wall anchors to attach the mounting bracket securely to the wall. You can also use the angled plate for a better camera view. 9. Attach the doorbell. Connect the wires if using wired mode, then snap the Arlo Video Doorbell onto the mounting plate until it clicks into place. 10. Finish setup in the app. Turn power back on, test live video, motion alerts, two-way audio, and customize settings like motion zones and notifications. Thanks for watching our channel.